If you are looking for top-notch interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India Private Limited. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field of interior design, SCON Design has become a reputable name in the industry. Their team of highly skilled and creative designers work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and design spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. SCON Design takes pride in delivering exceptional results that exceed client expectations. When it comes to interior design, SCON Design is known for their innovative and contemporary designs that transform spaces into stunning works of art. Their team of designers possess a deep understanding of the latest trends and styles, which allows them to create unique and personalized designs for each client. Whether you are looking to revamp your home, office, or commercial space, SCON Design has the expertise to handle projects of any scale and complexity. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore is their commitment to quality and professionalism. From the initial consultation to the final execution of the project, they ensure that every aspect of the design process is carried out with utmost precision and attention to detail. With a strong focus on customer satisfaction, SCON Design strives to create spaces that not only look good but also enhance the overall functionality and livability of the space. SCON Design understands that every client is unique and has different preferences and requirements. Therefore, they offer customized solutions that are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Their team works closely with clients throughout the design process, taking into consideration their budget, timeline, and personal style preferences. When it comes to finding the best interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leading choice. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering exceptional interior design solutions that exceed client expectations. As interior designers, SCON Design understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. They take into consideration the unique needs and preferences of each client, ensuring that their designs reflect their personal style and enhance their lifestyle. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, SCON Design has the skills and creativity to transform any space into a beautiful and functional environment. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their attention to detail. They believe that every element in a space contributes to its overall design and therefore, pay close attention to even the smallest details. From the selection of materials and finishes to the placement of furniture and accessories, SCON Design ensures that every aspect of the design is carefully thought out and executed. Another aspect that sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers in HBR Layout is their commitment to sustainability.